Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I'm gonna have a go at some green and gold nail art. And what I have on currently is Aimeili number 063. I believe this is called Diamond Gel Collection. I'll have to look that up for you and put it on the screen. So again, that was 063. This is a fabulous color. And it's got a lot of hollow in there. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna try to use my gold magic foil from Moyra and their Moyra stamping polish. And this one, I believe I got the silver out. Yes, this is silver. So from what I've seen everybody else do, you stamp your image on just like normal, and then you put it on the foil on your nail. So let's give that a go. This is a little nod towards St. Patrick's Day. It's coming up pretty fast. So what I have out is my, sorry I can't say it, H. La Cosadora plates. You can use it with any image, I imagine. I haven't done this in quite a while. I only did it on a fake nail before. Supplies ready. I always like to put a paper towel down. Stamping can be a pain. I'm going to try this image first. On my trusty little scraper, and we're good to go. Before I begin, I want to put on the liquid latex from Aimeili. And this stuff has absolutely no odor whatsoever. I guess they call it latex tape. Anywhere it gets on your color, you need to just remove that. I wasn't sure how the latex or how the Moyra polish washes off, so I put that on just to be sure. Now I'm ready to stamp. And I can't remember if you put it on right away or wait. We'll try it both ways. Okay, the liquid latex is not going to work with this. But it works very good for its purposes. But it doesn't work with the foil. So that's pretty cool. Let me do a little bit more of that. I like that. That's cool. Let's try the foil again. Wow, that is really magic. I've got to wash off my hands afterwards to get... Okay, got two nails done. Sorry, I have to get that off. I couldn't stand the latex on my nails. Okay, I've got 2 nails done. Let's go for 3 and 4. No, we'll just go for the last one because I have another idea for the other nail. Okay, now I wanted to see about doing some more layers to this nail. Because y'all can't really see it, can you? I can see it. It's gorgeous in person. So let's pull out. Let's see, I've still got a thumb I didn't do anything on. So let's pull out. Okay, let's see. What do I want to do? I want to go ahead and do a nod towards St. Patrick's Day. If you look at this, you can probably guess what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try to make a 4-leaf clover out of SheModern foils. What I did for these was cut the little heart out of 4 of them and then took one of the little extra pieces for the little tail here. You'll see that in a moment. So I'm just gonna, I've seen someone asked me about what to do for St. Patrick's Day with SheModern. Well, here you go. That could be a 3-leaf clover. And there's a 4-leaf clover. My lights are acting wonky today. I'll insert a picture at the end so that you can see. I think it's the hollowness on here. Those of you who film know that cameras just eat up the hollow. So just because your foils come with hearts, you can make them look, or anything, you can just change it. You can take the little bow out, you can take the center heart out. There's a myriad of things you can do. And then I want to take out, when I'm top coating, I'm going to add a little bit extra. So I stack my trays. I've got some Nail Candy Shop silver and gold glitter. And look at that glitter. It's gorgeous. And this one has a sticky base coat, or you could use your grip gel. Either way. I'm going to apply a couple of things to this nail. Just, well, because I just feel like it. These would be like my coins. Maybe I should wait to the top coat for that. Let's wait for the top coat for that. Making sure I put sticky gel on. There's just not enough glitter on these nails yet to blind my camera with. And you want to take your stamper and smoosh the glitter down a little bit extra so you're not touching it. That glue gel would work good for this too. I just didn't have it out. Wasn't thinking about it. Don't like that on the side because my nails shaped a little weird. Oh, a little bit more. I want to add a little bit more. I've got my SheModern Gold Pearl and my Dazzling Golden. Let me show you the difference between the two. There's been some people that insist the one is a pigment. That's the pigment. That's the Pearl Pigment Powder. And this is the Pixie Glitter. There is a difference between the two, even though it's so tiny. If you'd like me to compare these a little bit more and show you the differences, just let me know in the comments. I will gladly do that. I could put them on top of a black color, say, let you see it, on a white color. Just let me know. They're indeed quite different. One's a glitter, one's a pearl pigment. It's just the size and how it goes. One of the pearl you can burnish into your top coat. Here we go. I'll give these a good cure. Oops, I missed one. Take a picture for you and I'll post it at the end of the video. And everyone, until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.